Hello traders. Welcome to the live stream. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Yeah, sir. Yeah. Morning only I had checked. US market is closed today. Hello everyone. Now traders, this is a 3 minutes time frame chart. Okay. And this what you can see is market has been trading within a range. Right? This is the upper range. This is the lower range. Since market is holding on to the within this range, this is a very important zone actually. Because some time back I told you, even in the free telegram group I'd shared this, right, saying that this is the selling pressure zone, be careful, fresh buyers above this zone. Okay, in crypto community group also already our setup had formed. I don't know who captured the moment. It was a very decent moment based on the strategy what we have thought here. So those two setups were there. Now market as of now it's kind of near seller pressure zone, and fresh buyers will be above this zone. Why am I saying this? First, let me explain the logic to you. You can see in the past what has happened. That data we have to check first. So let's say from here we see market had continuously moved towards the upside. Okay, this move, anyone captured, let me know. I was in Indian market, all of a sudden I came and saw crypto market had boomed, so I did not capture any movement here. And news based movement usually I don't prefer to trade. Price action stop loss hunting itself what I prefer. All right, so from this upper zone, this trend line is acting as resistance, and here some people can mark this level. This trend line is acting as good supporting zone. Market has broken this level, right? After breaking this level, the sellers who are sitting here, they're the one who push the market nicely towards the downside, right? So by chance, anyone, let's say they enter the trade at this breakdown or this area breakdown, slowly market has trapped them by making a upside move. Now it is up to these sellers. If they decide, they can push the market even lower, or if market goes above the zone, that means these sellers are weak and expectation is market can again move towards the upside. But what is the problem at the upper level? Only problem is market already at all-time high level. There, if you are looking for upside opportunity without any pullback, we are going to have some problem. So that is the only issue we have about taking a bullish trade at the upper level. As of now, ideally we have to wait and see how the sellers are putting pressure in the market here. If they push the market towards the downside, market has a potential of reaching these levels, right? At least up to this level market can go. That is around 600 points. All right. So hopefully the view is clear. I'm still holding my long position entry at 1,07,360. 1,07,360. Did you enter here? Sorry, where did you enter? 1,07,360. So somewhere at this zone you have entered, and still you are holding your long position. See, market from here, it had given a nice momentum towards the upside, right? Around 1,500 points. This level also in the group I had discussed, right? Where it is. So this is the first point of entry. Market can go up to this zone. This is the first buyer zone I had mentioned in the group. So after that, market has corrected also. And from where market has reversed again, almost near this zone, right? What have I mentioned about this zone? This is next buying pressure zone. Market did not exactly come to this level, little above that only it reversed. Most of the time we cannot plan exactly where the market we will find entry, but somewhere at this zone only market started recovering. So now I'm saying this is the selling pressure zone, and as of now, since if I have entered in the futures market, ideally somewhere near cost to cost you will be staying. So what is your risk per trade? You have to take into consideration maximum. If you have entered at 1,07,300 range, 360 range, then maximum how much stop loss you can give? Maybe around 200 to 50 points from more from the current zone. That risk, if you are able to take, you can consider. Okay, that is something you can look at. What is the reason for huge movement today? Trump had spoken today in the morning. Maybe you guys would have seen. And of course, like I think previously only I had said, before Trump's speech, nicely they will push the market towards the downside. Later, when the speech comes, they can start create after creating more liquidity, they can move up. Right? That one we had discussed. Based on that logic itself, today morning in crypto group we had discussed about this zone, right? Sellers zone, buyers zone. But we had said around 200 points moment we were able to capture from once the market came out of buying pressure zone. We said uh, trend line breakout, but buyers only above selling pressure zone, otherwise it's a trap. So buy market did not go up, it moved down below buying zone. The 200 points momentum was there. Next, these updates I had shared. Now again people are waiting for what Trump is going to anyways, how much ever he wanted to speak, he has spoken. He has spoken about Solana and other instruments. Specifically for BTC, nothing was spoken as far as I understand. But it seems like he is supporting the crypto market and things like that, and he is very much uh, he's supporting Elon Musk also. Musk also is supporting cryptos and all those things. So maybe, yeah, Bitcoin to a certain extent, it can kind of rally. But my focus has always been to trade, not invest in BTC. For investment perspective, different avenues I have in the Indian market only, I'll focus on that. With BTC and all those things, the same day trade has to complete and we have to move ahead. That's all. No need to hold and this one and all. I don't regret missing the opportunity here or anything as such, because all those are news based moment. Can you trade gold in Delta? No, we cannot. See, market is just holding on within this range, right? I said this is the seller's pressure zone. From here, little movement we have got, but it is not very quick, right? Continuation, something like 3-4 candles market would have followed, means expectation was little more it can fall. But what has happened, market movement has been bit slow. It has given opportunity for people to enter at the retest, placing their stop loss here. That time what will happen, stop loss on the upside also will be created, at the lower end also will be created. Initially from the seller pressure zone anyone would have entered, their probability was high. But now since it is holding on within this range, whoever entered at the upper level, of course their stop loss will be here. Rest of them has to wait for a better opportunity, right? As of now it is just holding on within a range. Already nice volatile movement market has done. Hello Shankar Sharma, welcome to the live stream. Good evening, Lakshmi Narasim Narayana Babu sir. Govindra sir, welcome. Rohit sir, welcome. Saitek, hello. Iseki Muthu sir, hello. Hello everyone. Those watching the live stream, if you would like to support the channel, you can do that by liking the video and subscribing. It motivates me also to make regular videos like this. And also you can see on a 3 minutes time frame, nice moment reversal we had got in market towards the upside. This is ideally a magnet zone from where market has potential of reversal. So this was a nice moment of close to, let's say, at least 1600 points. how to trade, how to with this strategy, everything I have explained in this video. Okay, anyone who's a member of our crypto community group, you already know somewhat similar kind of setup. This is the upside reversal setup, and same thing at the lower end also setups will be there. Maybe I can show it to you. Many setups similar to the strategy I have discussed, so it will be available somewhere here. uh, Many setups here. So here also somewhat similar kind of setup, right? So when market come to the magnet zone reversal, this is exactly the similar kind of setup what we have got here. So if you wish to learn those strategy for absolutely free of cost, anyone who doesn't want to look at the market all the time, since you're trading in the futures market, things will be a bit easy for you to place your entry, stop loss and targets. So for those people, definitely you can check out the strategy. To get free access to the strategy, you can open account with Delta Exchange India. The link is there in the pinned comment. Whoever opens account there, they can check. Sir, it's a holiday in US market today due to oath taking ceremony. No, I think it is King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. That is what I had seen early morning itself during this pre-market report what I shared in the group. Morning I shared this video, right? In that, what time? So yeah, I think around 9:12 this video. In this only I had discussed today US market is closed until Trump taking oath. Until then, little kind of because US market is closed, to a certain extent market can be a bit volatile only, I discussed. What is this gap you're asking? See, every exchange is no perfect. Sometime back I had to come live stream a bit early itself. Someone highlighted me that with Delta Exchange, uh, the price movement is not happening. So quickly I had to contact them, sort out this issue. Once this issue sorted only, I was able to come live. Yeah, there is some chart issue. That is why. Hmm? So as of now, what traders, we will keep our view a bit neutral because market is trading within this zone itself. If it had directly formed lower high, lower lows like this consolidation breakdown means one moment we could have tried to capture, even since we know this is the selling pressure zone, or any continuation also we could have planned. But market is holding on to this range, so little careful we will be. Symmetric pattern breakout time, there was an issue. Okay, I think symmetric pattern setup we had discussed here, right? Market has formed a bullish flag pattern, but wait for seller's pressure zone. So if market had gone above seller's pressure zone, only bullish trade, right? That was the whole idea. Market did not go above seller's pressure zone, so bullish trade failed. So we did not, entry did not get triggered there. 12 p.m. Good move, bro. Yeah, very good move. Main focus will be in Indian market, right? Today Indian market we were focusing on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nicely from this zone we had planned for buy. This was the first target, this area was the second target. In Bank Nifty, first target was this zone, our resistance. Second target was 49,400. All of these updates I've shared in the free Telegram group also. You can go and check how we looked at the market, what kind of setups we had. All those videos you can go and check, right? So you will get clarity. So more focus was on Indian market, and I personally did not expect a bigger move in the crypto market today. I thought, okay, it is holiday and things like that, so I did not focus. News based movement, usually I don't prefer to trade because I don't know how to trade based on news. I will try to do only opposite of what many people think. So that's the issue. Now in the comment section, you guys just let me know what is your view. What is the potential of market moving up or moving down from here? Do you think market has potential of moving up or moving down? I feel down move itself. See, down move also, when I'll tell you, I'll get confidence. Let's say market goes up to this zone. Okay. From here, because from this zone again, correction also is possible because liquidity is creating. People are thinking, okay, market is overpriced. Let's draw a trend line. So when people enter here, again, stop loss hunting can happen on top. But bigger, when we said this is going to be a selling pressure zone who already entered, when at least market goes up to this zone, they could have trailed their stop loss. They would have held on to the trade. Even now, from the time we said, okay, selling pressure zone, market is staying below that itself. But fresh entry exactly at this zone to take also, little 50% chance issue only we have. So little early, if I'd have come and things like that, maybe this upside move I would have discussed. But movement was sideways in strike price for a quite long time in 23,200. See, strike price based how, of course, I understand our market uh, because of a lot of other issues and things like that. We are the movement is not as per the spot, usually how it used to be before. But let's say in Nifty it was not there. Definitely in Bank Nifty the movement was very nice, right? I mean here until this zone, if Nifty's premiums were not moving that much, at least we had identified the lower level. We know where the stop loss is, where we have planned the entry. All those things, when we know, at least at a safer zone we are sitting and waiting. Once the premium boom happened, premium spike happened, so whoever wanted to book, they could have booked, right? Gautam sir is saying his view is bullish side. Anup sir is saying slow down move. Okay. Now, definitely, if I had my live stream, if this issue was not there at this upper zone, I'd have planned on bearish trade. Maybe if it moves up to this zone also until here, already I would have trailed. By the time I come here, sorting out the issue, that was a problem. I mean, the chart problem. But we will see. Ideally, as of now, it is better to keep quiet. Who has already taken sell trade up near the selling pressure zone? No need to trail your stop loss. If you want to trail, you can do it, but I'm saying that's a reasonable stop loss from the time you have entered, right? Here at the zone, if you have entered, if you place stop loss here, how much big stop loss you would give? Very less, right? So ideally you can be okay to give that kind of stop loss. Hi sir, I reached out to him through WhatsApp to confirm whether I have created Delta Exchange account using your referral last Friday, but there is no response from the team. Okay, you do one thing. You send a WhatsApp message to this number today. I know my team reached out to Delta Exchange team to check on this. Maybe they did not revert, but you send a WhatsApp message to previously. If you have sent a message to this number, you have not got any response. At least after this live stream, definitely I will respond. Okay. So this number, only send WhatsApp message. I'll look into that for you. All right. Harish sir, I'll put the number again. If you want, just see to this number, you send a WhatsApp. Maybe you take a screenshot and give. All right. True, sir. What do you suggest in terms of strike price at the money or in the money when it comes to Nifty, considering the current market? I always prefer at the money or in the money If you go in the money also, no need to go too deep. Let's say 100 points in the money is absolutely fine. Only when expiry days, when we are very confident with the setup, maybe around 200 points in the money we can go, because quick movement we might have to capture during that time. I think on YouTube already I made a video and kept about how to choose strike price and things like that. I would suggest you to go and watch that videos. In our channel itself there is a playlist called that's what, sir. Harish sir, you say same number only you reached out. I understand. That time my team took that ID and they had sent it out to Delta Exchange team to check. Okay. I think they've checked and responded. Since we are in the live stream now, after this live stream, you just send a WhatsApp message saying hi. We will cross check and get back to you. You want to know, understand position sizing in other coins are also using 2550x. See, position sizing, here you have an option to choose the lot, right? In how much ever units you want, you can choose maybe 1, 10. But depending on how the other coins movement is happening, or it doesn't matter based on the leverage, okay? It is based on how much capital you have. Based on, apart from that, let's say you take Ethereum, for example, okay? In Ethereum, see, in Ethereum also, market has kind of in the selling pressure zone itself. As long as it comes above the zone, no need to take any bullish trade. Okay. Since I've opened this chart, I'm telling you. So that is about Ethereum. But in Ethereum, let's say in BTC, if it moves up by 100 points, okay, and if you have taken 100 unit, you will make $10. Same way here, 10 quantity you take, if it moves up by 10 points, you will make $10. So like that situation will be there depending on the lot size and the volume. That one we will share. Maybe I'll make one video on that. That video I will share. Okay, don't worry. Any interesting setup as of now I'm not getting. Market is just trading within a box. Hopefully we get any interesting setup. Okay, understood. Thank you. I will send message once again. Live stream gets over. Okay. True, sir. What to do? You suggest in terms of all that message I've read. Now traders, around 44 people are watching the live stream. Only 20 likes. Please support the channel by liking the video. As of now, this upper zone I've already discussed. This is seller pressure zone. Okay. But since market movement is very slow, liquidity on top also can be created. Okay. That is the only issue, as since even though we have selling pressure zone, market is trading within a box, liquidity is creating at the bottom. So any strong bullish candle comes also, market can reverse. So directly we are not planning, but whoever entered earlier, only later we get to know, okay, market is holding on to this range, right? What time I have told this is going to be a seller's pressure zone in the crypto group, you see. Somewhere around 721 I have told. From then on only, market is trading within below that zone itself, means randomly no one would have taken a buy trade, right? Since it is futures market, even the slow movement from the time from 11 720 if I have shared, this movement only is close to 700 points. I have a higher volume after 12 p.m. Yeah. So during that opening ceremony, I don't know if he's going to speak much more, because one day prior only a lot of things has been spoken. So that is one thing, traders. Based on what Trump says, according to that, if I have to plan the trade, my mindset doesn't work that way. Based on the candlesticks, based on the price, what the market is saying, price usually doesn't lie. Maybe news can lie, things like that. So that price, when it is not lying, it is trying to say us something. If we understand it properly, then we can capture a decent trend in the market. That is what I feel, rather than following all the news. Recent time also, how much the market is corrected, we will see. It's holding on near 236 level zone, right? That's there. Morning I discussed, no, here one setup 382 level can act as strong support. Market moved, similar kind of movement can be possible. Market is holding on to that range. Only issue is this box. If market comes out of this box, then it would be a safe thing for us. But doing that also, what will happen? We will miss out on the upside opportunity. Late entry we will get. So what to do? This is around how much? 400 points. Now what I will do right now is just take a small trade, but this holding on to this range anyways. I'm getting it near the upper level. That is an issue. Anyways, here I will paste. So if it breaks the weak players and all those things, it can remove. I was saying, right? So if that is the case, again, same box, same issue. But this is one more attempt market is doing. Every time it was holding on below this range. Now it has come. If it sustains this level, then at least this trend line, maybe we can try to target. So the problem is the risk reward. Biggest stop loss at this zone, no need to give. But if it is a very big move, right? If it is going next to this level, if it's going to this level, then the stop loss what we have given is not a small, it will be a reasonable stop loss itself. So it is in the box right now. Instead of taking multiple trades, already 30 minutes live stream is done. If market just sustains this upper level, instead of rejection, continuation can happen. So why plan here? Rather plan here is what I'm thinking right now. For that, 1:2.5 risk reward means reasonable stop loss I can give. No need to get the stop loss here and all. If it's taking the stop loss, let it take. Next setup I will see. But as of now, I'm not going to change any levels of my stop loss. Okay. Flag pattern formation, high possible for uptrend. Possibility is there. See, I'm not trying to, you know, uh, I understand this was the selling pressure zone. From here, the way how market has moved itself is like, okay, retest, attracted sellers coming, retest, attracting. So at every lower high, people will be thinking of movement. That means no one at the upper level have exited. If that is the case, if market moves up, their stop loss will hit, liquidity will be created, market will go to this resistance, people might push the market little lower, again one upside move. That time we can capture. That logic only I am seeing. So hopefully you can see what is the 1000 100 to 1200 points is the target. For that 400 500 points risk means it's not at all a problem. We'll see, traders, how this goes, right? So anything interesting happens, maybe we will be able to capture. All right, have you guys just let me know in the comment section, had kept my stop loss earlier at cost to cost? Okay, so guys, have you understood the logic why we have taken this trade? Ideally, I don't want this channel to be just like, okay, he has placed his entry, he's kept this the target, this the stop loss is saying, let me take random trades. It should not be like that. You need to understand the logic also, right? My logic can go wrong, things like that, but I'm putting my money here means there should be a logic. What is the logic I'm thinking right now is market has held on to this range. At every lower high, market has given opportunity for people to enter. Now 382 level is kind of acting as support. So from here, any upside move, market starts removing people at this zone, then it can go up to this resistance. If it goes to this resistance, again a pullback correction, market can slow down. Again liquidity, final one move. After that, where the market goes, what happens doesn't matter. But as of now, with this logic, I've just taken the trade. Of course, you can see we have reduced the quantity because of US market is not open and things like that. Hello sir, please share opening about Trump coin holding for next 1 year. Next 1 year, this particular trade only, after the saying the logic, I don't know what will happen. You're asking me about the view after 1 year. If I say, if I know that, I will be God. I'm not that kind of person. I'm simple common guy. I don't know if this boom is just because of Trump willing. Maybe it can be pump and dump also. So I'm not at all focusing more on this, right? So just imagine that just because you asked, sellers who are here, if they re-enter right now, at this point of time, I might bet Trump coin going up to this zone, up to 50. It can go. That is my expectation. Afterwards, depending on how the moment is, we can see. If I have to put my money here based on trading, that is what I will do. But long term, all those things and all, no. Simply, I don't have to say something illogical, and what I cannot predict, I cannot say. This one, to a certain extent, I have experience, and in terms of investment in Indian market, I keep following a lot of companies. I keep following gold. I know certain this one. So since I know how genuine the company owners are and what is the credit of the company, what kind of income they make, based on that, I can have a future bet. This coins and all, what future bet? No, I have zero money invested in crypto long term, because many times I've told I don't believe it. How to exit a half quantity? Now I think here, let's say you have taken 50 quantity here. If you go here and you press 25 quantity and then you sell, I think 25 quantity, what is here, it will get shorted. Okay, balance only 25 quantity you will have. Now Bitcoin also, let's say that is the most stable coin, people say 1 lakh 1.2. How many people, you guys will just buy one Bitcoin and you will hold on? More than that, where and all we have small opportunities to capture, where and all we have potential by giving small stop loss, we will close. Hi bro, நீங்க full time trader full time trader. I will Hussein sir, I will answer this in English because I hope you are okay with that, because English channel. Tamil maybe next time I will speak. So full time, yes, but partially I have other businesses also. I have discussed about that earlier in the group. So those businesses I have assigned to certain people who takes care of that. So my involvement is less. So because of that, Indian market I can be there until 12:30. Later around 1 o'clock after lunch and all, I focus mostly in that other business meetings and things like that. Night I come to crypto. So that is how things are going. Okay, Hussein sir. Not just see, trading should not be the only main source of income, right? Stock market income should not be the only source. Only then peacefully we can trade. That is the truth. Other streams of income has to be there, traders. Almost coming to the stop loss level. It's in this box zone itself. We will see. If this setup doesn't work out, one more setup I will hold on. I will see if that setup works. We will try to capture. If not, we will close for the day. Last setup I will be doing without the live stream. That I will share in the group, crypto community group. What app you're using for BTC trade? I'm using Delta Exchange for my trades, sir. Little pressure is there in around the same area in this box only. That has become one issue. Hopefully market holds on to this range. Exactly before our stop loss. Whether XNS is a safe trade. I have not used XNS. Since I have not used, how can I comment on that? I don't know how the user interface is, how the things are. I'm using Delta Exchange. You can see all the lives I'm doing using Delta Exchange itself. I've not had any issues so far, but today, yeah, I could not come live because of this issue, but not regularly till now. It is not like any big issue I have which makes me think, okay, I have to switch. That kind of situation I have not come. Everything is going smooth only for me. XNS I don't know, right? I should not speak about things which I don't know. Trading with Binance, is it legal? I think Binance also recently got FIU registration. Please check once. I think recently they have got. I saw some news, but since I don't use it, too much importance I did not give. But just check if it is whichever broker you're using, just see if they are FIU registered. It is closed before hitting the stop loss. You see, mama, what price you have kept the stop loss? Here, the selling has been a bit, uh, you know, and only 1, 2, 3 continuous bearish candle. Hopefully, before hitting a stop loss, market has quickly reversed. By this time, any breakout, anyone wrong entry, if they have entered based on that logic, their stop loss is hunted. Now, any reversal means we will see. But still, until it comes out of this zone, right? Comes out of this zone and sustains, very difficult for us to judge. Since we have a view, based on that view, if the upper range, if people are removed, still at the upper range, since it is resistance, still people have not exited. And who did not exit here, again, if market has come here, I don't think they will exit. They will think, okay, market movement, now it can start, and they will hold. That means still seller stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss, if the required movement come out of this box, right, that is more than sufficient for me. So that is what it is. Again, sir is asking what is BTC view within 2 weeks. Goal is to make money, right? If goal is to make money, then I am okay to sit every day, look at the market. If it is going for 1,18,000 also, where and all 1,200 points or 2,000 points, like how we captured last week, like that opportunity will come in, there I will put in money, I will try to capture that, and I will close. I will not buy something right now with the hope that it will reach up to that zone. We can do that, there is no issue, but overnight risk is something which I don't prefer itself, right? In 2019, yeah, in 2019 is when I decided that I don't want to do overnight trading because of the issues which I had, right? So that two two times I did the same mistake. So third time I decided I should not do that. So no prediction of long term. If we can it go to 1,18,000? If you just ask me generally, it can go to 1,20,000 also. Within 2 weeks, if you ask, then it is a problem. ಆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ அந்த பேரெಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now this box range, anyone who's not taken any trade also, no problem, right? So if it comes out of this box, you guys know, okay, this is the seller's pressure zone. If it comes out, continuation can happen there with small stop loss, you can try, okay? For me, since I wanted a fair price, I don't know if this breakout, if it's going to be such a big candle, then what will happen? Okay, here resistance is there, let me not enter. Like that, people will start thinking. Then I will miss out on the opportunity. With that logic only, I had to take the trade a bit early. So my trade got closed automatically. Okay. Uh, you see, ma'am, what is your entry price? What is the balance amount you have kept in your trading account? All this information you have a look once. Okay. And then any update is there, any understanding, if you don't get after that, then you reach out to me. Maybe still if there is any issue, I will directly contact Delta Exchange team and check with them if your issue is with Delta Exchange. Yeah, liquidation issue can be there, here or there, slippage can be there, but how much is the slippage that matters, ma'am? Correct, right, Rohit Reddy sir? Yeah, liquidation issue can be there, but slippage should not be too much. Hmm? This market is just kind of attracting people here. There's a sell zone, sell zone, sell zone, sell zone. So hopefully the buying side opportunity what I have taken is kind of okay. Only issue is if it again comes and tests this level and then goes, means stop loss will get hit. That's why a little less quantity only we have taken. So we will see. Too much correction also, what will happen at this support? Let's say market comes to this support, when it comes, the sellers who entered, they will think about exiting, so they will not get the liquidity. So before reaching this level only, if market starts moving towards the upside, that is where we get that nice liquidity that we want. So hopefully, around 60 people watching the live stream, only 20 likes, 29 likes. After liking the live stream, please come to the comment section and mention your name. We will announce top 5 names. Come on, we will see who are those 5 people. When you're pressing the order, you're not getting, means I think here, do not show me again, this option you have clicked. That is why you're not getting that notification, sir. That is what I think. Here, this don't show me again, you would have clicked earlier. Go check that once. Okay, Maharaj, sir. Little more, if it goes maybe another some quantity, I'm thinking of adding, but it is not giving me any kind of confirmation. It is just holding, moving on. That too, stop loss is very, very close, right? So that is why little more quantity should I add or not, I'm thinking. What is the difference between this zone to this zone? This zone to this zone is 300 points. This 300 points is kind of okay for the second entry. I mean, by chance market comes here, right? From here, any reversal around 200 to 50 points risk. If we take another set of quantity, if we enter, it would be kind of okay for me. Here only, if I enter the next quantity, then stop loss I cannot keep here, little lower I have to keep. So that is one issue. Anyways, again, if I will get opportunity or not, I don't know. So I'm going to buy another 50 units. Little. See, I'm not going to do this for averaging traders. This is not averaging. It is just that fair price. Is this the fair price for re-entry? So that by here, market comes Friday, same thing what we did, right? We split our entry into 2 parts. But here, is it going to hold or not hold is the only concern. Could you please explain about RR4? Okay. I've placed the order. Now you can see my quantity has increased. Okay. My stop loss, what I have kept, I'll get it little lower here. But it is coming down itself. I knew I had to give it the stop. Okay, anyways, stop loss I'll get it little lower because I've added fresh quantity here. Right, exact level we cannot plan. So the idea about this setup right now is liquidity is creating on top. Still market has not given any breakout to remove weak players. It is attracting more people on the put side. So first entry was here, little more addition was here. If market hits off the stop loss, okay, next trade if I want I will plan, right? But from this zone, if it starts moving towards the upside, by the time it comes here, we will be in a profit situation. From here, it can once it, anyways, the setup only is over. What to explain? Still, we'll wait for the next setup. View is still bullish only, traders, because market has not hunted the stop loss on the upside. That is one issue. Recently, what the market has done. Last setup I'm going to plan. The box is the problem, because I want to capture the upside move, and market is not going below the zone also. This is 382 level strong support. Still the expectation is the same. Here, if one breakdown also comes here, right, from here any reversal, more confidence I will have on the buy side, because recently random buyers market would have removed, but at the zone sellers are sitting, the stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss, expectation is market will move towards the upside. Only issue is this is the selling pressure zone, this is the box range. We will see. The strong selling is happening. One nice setup before I at least close this one live stream. Let's see. See, if buyers are not giving up at this zone, okay, if buyers at this box, if they're giving up, then probability is it might attract people up to this zone. Here any reversal will come, means this down move we can capture, later upside move I'm thinking that way, because consolidation, too much consolidation is happening. Anyways, I'm looking at 1 minute time frame. What is the stop loss for this trade? 300 previous. If it breaks this zone and all, too much pressure will create on the downside, traders. Looking at this candle itself, sellers, from seller zone only it has come down. This support and all market might not respect. So what I will do right now, expectation is sell, let's say 50 quantity, I'll do that. Okay, so here somewhere at this zone, because stop loss too much I cannot give, 600 800 points means that doesn't make sense. The downside move has been a bit strong, so that's the hope of the continuation, and stop loss giving there also is not that required, because here I'm trying to capture only up to this low until the market goes. So hopefully one big candle shows continuation. Here I'm trying to capture based on the trend I'm trying to ride. So stop loss I have to keep trailing and coming. Sometimes randomly stop loss will get hit, nothing can be done, but we will keep riding the stop loss and going so that we capture the moment. Okay, the zone and all, it will come off, traders, that is not the problem. While reversal smallly, if it hits my stop loss and then continues, that becomes an issue. It came to cost. So there was no loss in this trade. Order just got triggered quickly there only. We will see. Too much of trade I'm taking today because this is going to be the last trade for the day. Okay. Second trade anyways, it went to, since I trailed, it went to cost only. So that's not a problem. Little correction, let it happen. Just little more. If I wait, I will not get better entry. That's the problem. Here, at least if stop loss hits, it's going to be small one only. Setup forming. What setup forming, sir? Setup also is forming. So, kind of. Market has given a breakdown, but I'll be looking for upside move itself. Just that, okay, if I don't enter here, I will miss out on the opportunity. So I'm going to do that, right? My stop loss is going to be a little lower here. So ideally you can see what is the risk I have taken. This is the risk, close to 400 points. Now this setup, if it works, I'll be able to capture very good move, right? So for that, taking that risk is completely okay for me. In case the market moves up to this level or up to this level also, nice moment I'll be able to capture. For that, this risk I'm ready to take. So this is the last setup for the day. All right, we will see. Now if you see the first trade here, expectation was okay, from this zone if it corrects, then we will be able to capture little more decent move. So here only all the position I did not add, next time only I added, so my loss got uh, limited. Second setup which I had taken based on the bearish setup, expectation was market will at least go up to this zone, right? But quickly what we did was we kept on trailing the stop loss, so cost to cost is gone there. So amount of risk, how much ever we are taking in each and every trade, we are trying to reduce it by reducing our lot size or by trailing our stop loss, right? So this is something which you can practice. Small stop losses we would have given and things like that. That's part of trading. If that is not there, then things will be difficult. Sellers pressure we are able to see here, but I've taken the 100 quantity, right? No need to increase the quantity or anything as such. I'll leave it to the market to decide what it wants to do, either stop loss or it goes up to the zone, these zones. Those zones will be my target. Let it go to the target zone, then I'll speak about the targets. Unless it goes out of the entry zone, first I'll focus on that, right? Our setup also is kind of forming here. Market has not yet come out of this zone, that is one issue. But okay, a little early entry only if I take also, reasonable stop loss from here only. If the movement continues quickly also, I'll be able to capture. It depends on how much risk you want to take. Rohit Reddy sir has currently correctly identified. Setup is forming good. Maybe you're looking at the market on a 3 minutes time frame. I remove this only because too much of things, right? Explaining too much of charts and other things and all can create problem. That's the issue. See, if market wants to go up, my understanding is it has to go up from here only. That is why I took the bullish trade. Only reason is because who entered here, they did not allow the market to come to this zone. Why they did not allow? They know people at this support again. If buy trade, sell trade, confusion can happen. So better fair price, whatever they get, they take that. They push the market up. Again, better fair price where they got is here. They push the market up. So like that, only upside trend continues, right? Now in case market has come out of this box and removed all the players, let's say random people who were entered by position here, if it is removed, I don't think market is going to target people at this low. And here if it comes off to this um, below the support, I think many people again they'll be interested in buy trade only. So to avoid that confusion, little early only let me reverse. Market can think like that. That was my whole idea. As soon as I looked at the setup, okay, here instead of coming here directly, if it starts moving towards the upside, big move we will be able to capture. And Rohit Reddy also is saying our setup is forming. All those things gives us more confidence, right? So that is the logic. No target and all is at least 1,07,500 can be the first target. Second target will be this one. Third target will be this one. 1,08,200. 1 lakh. What I'm thinking is I'm just stop loss I have decided. I'm okay to give the stop loss. Only thing is I'm just thinking of letting this trade be as it is. That's it. So let's say if it is just moving on towards the upside up to the zone and all it will go. Maybe I will trail my stop loss and just leave that, uh, hold it on, right? I just don't want to keep random targets. Who entered along with me, you see this around 500, 550 points moment, right? So ideally, let's say long trade, at least plan for this zone as the first target. It can rally up to 10:30 p.m. Maybe it can. See, always whenever I come live, we try to our best to capture the lowest point of the day, right? Or the highest point of the day. If you see, when I came to this, before coming to this crypto live, I thought this is going to be the highest point, selling pressure zone. So if this is the highest point, if market would have moved, right? So from that seller pressure point only market has moved, right? This is the zone. How much it has moved? It has moved close to 2000 points. But of course I took buy trade because once market becomes sideways, since I did not plan my entry at this zone, I was speaking with the technical team about the issue. I came live only when market was sideways. Or else at this zone, small stop loss, I would have planned for bearish. So that time, no problem. Okay, holding on to the trade, get it to cost. If it gives a breakout also, small stop loss, done, exit. So same logic I'm applying here. If these buyers, if they are strong, I'm trying to see if this is the bottom. If this is the bottom, the next movement can be big. Okay. So we are not that big of a person to create a bottom, right? We are only small people who try to see, okay, if this can be the bottom, can I capture this? For that, can I give a small stop loss? Like that only mindset we have to have, small stop loss we have to give to capture bigger move. Still, hopefully, this is going to be the bottom. If this is the bottom, bigger trend I will be able to capture. If not, what? Small stop loss I will give. You guys have seen in the live stream when we capture bigger move, when we capture the bottom, how much big risk free the trade becomes, right? In Nifty and Bank Nifty also, I think this has got gone out. But if you see the setup what I have shared, maybe in the group, whatever, where is it? Huh. I said this is the bottom. From here expectation is up. So until upper level, how much problem we had? Premiums is not moving, all those things. Later point of, if our entry is right to a certain extent, we are safe, right? Once this zone comes out, market can go up to this zone means. So there also kind of risk free only we are sitting. Hopefully this also becomes the bottom and market gives us the move that we want. In sir, in Delta mobile platform, can we be able to trail stop loss using drag mode? Yes, sir, we are able to do that. I do that regularly. You have to just click here. It will be selected. Then you can move it. Okay. I'm new to this channel. My capital is 20K. How much quantity I can trade in Bitcoin? You split your 10. Just go here. BTC if you're trading. Starting stage just do with 10 quantity. For that, maybe the capital that you require is going to be around $20 or so, right? So just 1,800 or let's say 2,000 rupees. So you split your 20,000 into 20 trading days. Every day trade with 10 quantity until you are able to increase that 20,000 to 25,000. Okay, try that. Small opportunities you stop loss you give, try to capture bigger movement. So based on the setup, you go with the trade and see what happens. Everything you just, okay, with 20,000, how much, let's say 100 quantity if you want to trade, you need around $2,000, close to 16,000. It is not advised that you put all your 16,000 rupees to 18,000 rupees in only one trade, right? So initially reduce it to 10 quantity. Based on that, you see what you want to do. Sir, is the stop loss hunting by big players? Stop loss hunting can happen post this level breakout. One problem what is there is this move was very big, right? This move was very big means sellers are strong here. Market, if it has to move up, it is not because of stop loss hunting. It has to move up because it has removed all the weak buyers, and later this move should be from the same big player who pushed the market earlier towards the upside, who squared off their position. So if they are creating the fresh position here, then this upside move continuation is good for us. In case these sellers are not allowing, these are different sellers, that means they will not allow the market to go above this zone. Again, they'll keep putting pressure. From down, buyers pressure will be there, from top, sellers pressure will be there. So that is an issue. We will see what happens. Count is not showing in drop down arrow, it is only showing lots. Count is not there, lots means only you consider that as count. Okay, in Indian market, lot means predetermined values, right? In Nifty, one lot means 75 quantity. Huh? But in this, it is not like that. Even you can choose 1, 2, 10, 100. You can enter whatever value you want here. So you choose as quantity only. If you choose one lot, it is like 0.0001 BTC. Okay. If you choose 1000 lot means only it is equal to 1 BTC. Alright. This trade and all what we have taken is just 10% of 1 BTC, 100 quantity. Hopefully this is buyer's reactivation. Buyer's reactivation will be post this level breaking. It should not be like this. That is going to be a pressure for me only. See, each candle we cannot keep looking at and keep deciding, okay, this is there, because as per us, that's the bottom. Below that, we have placed the stop loss and held on to the trade. If market is saying, no, this is not the bottom, I'm proving what your understanding is wrong, then I will try to analyze again and see where can be the next bottom, right? Where can be the next bottom, where can be the next top. Based on that only, I can take the setup. If I have identified the bottom correctly, then market will give me a very nice move. For that, risk I have to take. There's no point in sitting and thinking, okay, I should have taken this trade, I would have captured this move. That doesn't work. Trade with 10 lot, what is there? No one is asking you to trade with more. It's gonna be double bottom. Mhm. Double bottom after taking my stop loss if it creates problem. I mean double bottom if it comes here. It's forming this as a double bottom, this zone. Then it's a problem. Around 69 people watching the live stream. If you're new to this channel, we come live every day around 8 p.m. and we take live trades. And we explain all the logic based on price action, stop loss hunting, and trade psychology. If you want to learn all of these concepts during the live market, you can definitely join our YouTube channel, right? If you're making use of the content, then support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. It motivates us to make regular videos like this. And if you wish to join our crypto community group for absolutely free of cost, we keep sharing regular setups like this, and we discuss about important buying and selling zones. And before me coming live also, I had discussed about the selling pressure zone. I had said buyers need to be careful near this current zone, right? So that is where market fell, but after consolidation it has fallen. So like those interesting setups we keep sharing. All this is based on price action, stop loss hunting, and trade psychology itself. And there are setups like this also. This setup, after the moment, definitely I said our setup formed at near the buying pressure zone. So this setup is purely based on the strategy what we have thought here, right? Indicator based strategy for those people without anybody's help who wants to plan for trades. You can do that. So all of those things will be absolutely free of cost for anyone who opens account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. It is there in the pinned comment. You can check it out. Sir, you give more knowledge in but my kind request, please share the long or short position setup as well, like this. It gives more confidence. See, that one, is it about confidence or is it about calls and tips? In crypto market, it is allowed to mark all these risk calculators, things like that, and explain the logic. But in case of our market, people will consider that as calls and tips. And we have to follow SEBI regulation, right? So like this BTC, if they allowed Nifty, Bank Nifty also live trades and things like that, better I'll come live only in Nifty, Bank Nifty also. Certain rules is there, traders, that we if we have to follow, we have to do that. If you see how much more clearly can I explain also, even I'm thinking the entire video logic I have explained. If you just watch the video, you will get to know exactly this is the zone, this is what is the probability. Based on this, you can decide. We have told if there is no guidelines, we have to follow, no traders, irrespective of what. Time is around 9:15. This setup can take a while. It should not hold on to this level for longer duration. That's the issue. Hopefully, if our levels is the bottom of the market, then this is a, if ours is the bottom, then this is the very small target. It can be 1700, 800 points also. For that, what problem we have to take 500 points risk. That is there. See, as much as you want, even I want to share updates like this only, but guidelines. Is it not the bottom of the market? Almost close to this level. So in case I take the stop loss, one last setup maybe I'll look at, and I will share that in the crypto community group. You guys can check out. Okay. So I've taken the stop loss. Now whoever is interested in bearish trade, little my suggestion would be to wait until the next buyer's pressure zone. Okay, market has broken this level, right? So it is attracting more people on the put option side. Be a bit careful in this current zone right now. Maybe I will at least check and see where is the next zone where you need to be careful. Market has already gone. Market has already gone below this zone. Then everyone would have made profit here. This is the next support. If market holds on to this support also, continuation probability will be there. See, the support zone ideally as of now, little you think about this as accumulation only, right? Because directly we cannot trust this exact correction in the market. I think this can be just an accumulation before a correction. And people were saying around 10 p.m. EST time, Trump's oathing, this one also is there, right? So to a certain extent, be careful at this zone. That means I'm saying this is not buyer zone. Previously from here only market went, but I don't feel this is the buyer zone. Okay, as per my understanding, maybe this breakdown, people who entered sell position, if they have made the profit, like I said earlier, I was thinking about this buyers re-entering at this fair price value, but they did not do that. The sellers at the upper level, again they put pressure in the market towards the downside. So here again the sellers can create pressure. Where is it? Sellers can create pressure again at the zone. Alright, keep quiet for some time until the zone, and again they can push it down. Right, that's that's an issue. Ideally from this zone itself, from before reaching this zone itself, market should have corrected. uh, I'm having issue with this pencil, I don't know whatever, but the current zone what you're seeing right now, it is not buying pressure zone. Please be careful about that. Downside movement is possible after consolidation or within some time. After Trump speaking, based on news, market moves and all that, we don't know. But as of now, I'm saying this is not the buying pressure zone. Many people might be thinking of entering here. Liquidity will be created. Market can again trap them, right? What we can do is mark a line like this. If market is holding on to this range, keep quiet. Once liquidity is created, then at the upper level, we can look for opportunity. Any further update, I will let you know in the group, traders. Okay. Ideally, this was not the buying pressure zone. Okay. Small stop loss we gave. Next, any buying pressure zone is there or seller's pressure zone is there. I will discuss about that in the private Telegram group. If you're interested, you can open account with Delta Exchange. All right. I know no US market today. It's a holiday. The thing is, Donald Trump's speech is there, right? I don't know at what PM. I know Eastern time. In Indian Standard Time, I don't know what is this one. So we will see about that. Ideally, at this zone, I'm not interested in any buy trade as of now. We'll look about that later. Okay, traders, thanks for participating in the live stream. For the update, I'll share in the group. All right. Good night. God bless you.